Okay, this is a short video on getting your way around http getresources.info done by me today on the 29th of August 2012 about 9:20 p.m. Okay, when you log into getresources.info, the first screen that you will see is the blog. Okay, the blog is no more the folder of Get Resources info, so this is the main page, and it is easy to update something, and it is viewed by visitors rather than they have to go to a subfolder of Get Resources.info. Anyway, this is the same format that is applied to Health Prevail, but the design may be different, but the layout is more or less the same. Okay, it is a simple design, nothing much on graphics, but it's easy for me to add in videos and articles from the net, easily done here because of the software provided, because the blog provide that facility very easily. Okay, what you will see is the 3 columns. This is 3 column blocks where any recent post to the blog will be placed here. In this case, the latest 5 blog posts will be here. If you click any one of these, you go to the previous one, and nothing much here, just to create some sort of entry, okay, just to make the blog active. And people can go from topics to topics added by clicking on the command on the menu here on top, or they can go back to the front page by clicking on Get Resources here, and of course they can do a reply at the bottom of each entry of the blog post. Okay, then the bottom up is the recent comments. If anybody have commented on any of the posts, then it will be appearing here, and archive is whatever that have been appeared. Okay, for this, because it just started for August 2012, but if you to click here, then it shows all the entry of August, okay, in this form here. But anyway, since we have just started, there's nothing much that's added, just creating, posting, so of like capping topics, should be topics added, adoption topic added, humanities topic added, then there's nothing much. But then again, this can be expanded or increased according to the what you call the categories. Okay, the next part is categories, where this is supposed to be a Get Resources info blog, so it's not targeting particularly on the each categories, because these are small categories of niches. But anyway, if there are any addition to be added not to the article side, then it can be added here. Like if I were to add hiking, then I could click on hiking, and this is the post for hiking. So anything that the blog post that I add, which may contain articles, blogs, or any products whatsoever, then I will just have to include the what you call the categories as hiking, so that whenever people come to the niche pages which I'm showing afterward, then they will come to this page and they will see the product. So it's an interactive thing, and make this as a place where they can comment on any blog topics that they want easily. Okay, these are the pages. Okay, but anyway, found out this blog have got error in the pages, but error in the sense that even when the pages is created, it's always the what you call the blog can't find the page. But anyway, it is easily done, because like video tutorial, then I will create my own video tutorial page here, and with a back button back to the blog, so it is easily done, and fill up this with a video tutorial on how to get around Get Resources. So this can easily be utilized. I mean, put put more pages, even though this the blog that cannot create its own pages automatically, which is an error on the program parts, but that can be overcome. So pages will be here, and categories explain, and login is actually, this is the admin part. Login is supposed to be the admin login, where I can edit the pages, add articles and everything that is the need to edit or expand the blog even further. Okay, the fun part or the heart of the blog will be on this side, which is the topics added. Okay, these are the niches. I mean, going directly to the niche pages. Okay, or the topics added pages. As you know, here it is starting with A. These are small niches that you won't see much what you call people interested, but still people may be searching for these topics, because the topics have been prepared, or the articles have been prepared, good articles. So why not just have a way to quickly do it and put in here, okay, or in anywhere in the internet, hoping that people would maybe stumble on it, go for it, and perhaps would purchase anything that is being sold there, which is the affiliate part. Okay, search site. Okay, I'll show you the clicks to the page niche here later, and there's a search site here. Okay, this search site is now there's a second search engine which is catering all for get resources info. Okay, let's go for a demo here. Okay, when click on search site, what we've seen with the search engine, the name is Spider, so I think just maintain the name here. Then again, later on there will be some links on top here where I even put a video tutorial on how the search engine works. Okay, this can be done later. Okay, one example is that because it is only for grad resources, so let's say I'll put a search on child. Okay, and let's put a search. Alright, so the search will come there just like a Google search, and there are a lot of pages that contain child. Okay, most of it is from the niche adoption. Okay, if you click here, you go to the niche where it has a lot of child, what you call child's as keyword, see, and you have 10 per page, and you have something like 100, so there's a lot. Okay, let's say we put another one, car. Okay, search, and you see a lot of car, which is of course as expected in radio control. Even airbrush have got cars, and then only about 30 pages on car. So and one more thing is that you can see that whenever you press car, then there is search results is listed here. To be exact, it is 26 results. Okay, let's say another one. Of course, anything on health will not be here because it's under health prevail. But anyway, maybe later on put a link on top here, that just to explain that if there are anything that they want to search on health, then go to health prevail. But anyway, let's see if there's anything on diabetes. Yeah, there are two, which is after school. Okay, there's two articles here on after school, which explain, which have a related search on diabetes. So it's good to see what is this for. Okay, and diabetes 2 results. Okay, so this is a very powerful, I mean a powerful complete, I can say a complete search engine to be utilized. Okay, and of course there's a link to go back to get resources back, but in the meantime just do it manually to go back to get resources info. Alright, okay, back to here now, showing you how to go a niche page. Okay, as I've said, this niche page was created quite fast. Okay, in fact about 15 to 10 minutes, because I do a bundle at one time. So some the time taken, time taken takes some time to take, is that the articles have got to be edited to make the article just a content, okay, rather than removing the information that some of the authors have put into the articles page, like a number of article, the number of words, summaries and all that. So okay, of course the important part of each of these articles, okay, I go to add where is on the affiliate, right, because that's where you make the money. If the affiliate part is not complete or it's not spending, then it's just providing people for to browse through the articles. Okay, but this adware, I've done the adware part, sorry, the affiliates part, which is on Lavasoft. Okay, but anyway, Lavasoft is an adware, and of course it's it can be added further and further, by just playing about with this part of the page. Okay, the bottom part of the page, which is easily done and will appear on all the pages that have the articles. Okay, and to find anything that is what you call I'll show you one example. Okay, right, let's create another tab here. Example on let me go to Google. How you are actually looking for affiliate, for a certain thing that you may not have anything that is related to the pages. But anyway, as mentioned, ClickBank have got lots of products which are on ebooks to be that people can actually go to and buy, and it is easily incorporated to the web pages there. Just get the code of the ebooks, and also other things like pay.com and jv.com and a few more. Okay, but then again, let's say we are looking at a very difficult subject to an affiliate, for example, adding fish pond. Okay, we have that as one of the article, which is quite a funny niche. But anyway, somebody have got created about 25 articles on adding fish pond. But anyway, if you have to look at to find an affiliate on that, okay, let's say we do like this. Okay, fish pond, affiliate fish pond. Maybe there's none, we don't know. Are there? They have affiliate fish pond. So you got Amazon, of course, we have to go there. So you get to go from this, okay, about fish pond, go one by one and check if there are any affiliates that have a fish pond. Okay, perhaps these are constructors that are even this fish pond constructors that there we pay you $5. Okay, this is the page of fishpond.com Australia that has, and they are also selling books on hopefully on fish pond. So this is where we got to sign up and make it as an affiliate. Okay, affiliate in a sense that what you call you sell for them, and when people buy you get some commission. So it's not so difficult to create an affiliate program. Okay, but anyway, the most common one is ClickBank. Okay, let's say fish pond. Of course, you can go to ClickBank ClickBank own website to search for fish pond. But anyway, we have gone there, and you can see that there somebody have written written an ebook on easy koi fish pond in ClickBank. So let's go there and see what it is. Okay, CB Trends ClickBank product. Alright, this is CB Trends. Okay, this is the book. So it is I think under ClickBank, of course. The code is MML463, and how much commission 65%, you know, by selling a book. So average earning per is 11. So this one also can be added as an affiliate, alright, to the niches. So what is important is that to, you know, when the niche pages or this niche site was conceptualized, what is important, how easy to add, you know, niches, add niches, and it must be easily done, you know, where you add niches once and it appear in all the pages, which is quite easy. Okay, for this one is add where, of course it can be added further on, you know, and this is only 3 products. Okay, in a matter of I think 15 minutes work, you know, just to search is one thing, and to create the for adware for this Lavasoft, to register myself into the affiliate programs, and, you know, to study a few of the products and to put it here. Okay, let's go at this simple, what you call it, simple niche website. Okay, what is important is there's not much elaborated graphics. Okay, but it has to be catchy enough for people to look at it as a professional, and yet easy for me to do it, you know, without much works. Okay, because we are aiming something like 15 minutes per niche. Okay, what's important here is the title, the logo. Okay, which is get resources is common, but what's the title of the niches will be here, over here, and just one graphic, you know, looking at just to make more attractive. And of course, in every pages there is the comment part. Okay, where you can do it, recommend it on Facebook, you know, by clicking on it and going to Facebook. This is on Twitter, and this is even to print on your printer, and plus is all the other program that you have, like you know, blogger, favorite. There are about 318 ways for you or for anyone to what you call to recommend this. Okay, let's say and also G+, okay, which is now very important in the internet. Okay, as being one of the forefront social bookmarking and also social web site. Okay, social network. Okay, there is G+. Okay, now we go to, let's say I'm just showing you one. Okay, how to send email. So you just click on that, this thing will come out. So that's how I've sent you the email. And you just put more than one person, by put a comma and put a note, and you just send. That's it, and the person will receive the email to come to these pages. Okay, this is home. Home will go to this page, which is the index page. Search will go to the search engine. FB will go to Facebook of the Jamie McPeters, who you also have in the Facebook for Health Prevail. Okay, blog and comments will go to the page that the one that I show you. Okay, this is go back to get resources on adware. In this case, it is the adware categories. Okay, this is the page of the adware. So anything that's newly added can be added to the blog, and it can be seen, you know, by those visiting the niche website. Okay, we go back to adware. Okay, now in this part, what is an improvement, or in fact this was discovered quite some time ago, but I was thinking maybe this can be adopted or not, is this part here, the indexing. Okay, the indexing is automatic. Okay, in the other version, it is not automatic, in which every time there's a new article, it has to be redone. Okay, the what you call the index, but this one is automated. Any file that is added to the folder of the server containing that niche will be appearing here, and it will tell you the size of the file. Okay, these are small sizes because they are just what you call a web page, and when it was uploaded. Okay, this is important stuff also, because you know that when the page was uploaded, and it is being arranged according to alphabetical order. Okay, so alright, that's quite a lot here, and you can mention here 77 files, okay, on the articles, okay, minus one file on the this one is on the articles being text files being compressed, where visitors can download and use for their own use if they want to. And okay, the other important stuff that is always come up will be this one. Okay, this is the shop. Okay, sorry, we go finish for this top part here. Okay, select language is where you can change your articles into any language that you want. Okay, it is provided by Google. There's quite a lot here, and this for the articles. Okay, when you go to articles, you can show how this works. But anyway, on this part is the shop Amazon. Okay, there are two links here. First, there's a folder, but then we'll go to Amazon, shop Amazon, and this one. This is the same thing. Okay, this is just a counter and some form of copyright statement over here, and nothing much. But this part, either this is the same as going to this. Okay, so people will be curious, what is this shop Amazon? So what will happen when they click here? They will go to the catalog page of Amazon. As mentioned, Amazon is a powerful affiliate service provider. Okay, they have a lot of products. Okay, maybe their percentage is only 4% as compared to some affiliate programs which provide 75%, which are digital products. But for them, it is a mixture of real product, like also some virus, and also real books, and even e-books, and also their own e-books with the Kindle, okay, software. And it is easily done, this thing, just to incorporate a page here on Amazon targeting the right thing, which is adware, and for people to consider looking at this. So and it is done instantly, even though the other affiliate pages may not still be included in the what you call the niche site. Okay, this can be added easily, so it is done on the spot. So let's go back to our part here. Okay, so it can be easily done when the niche page is up, and then come to the niche site. Okay, so if we go to any of the site here, let's say click one, adware, then we'll go to the page. Alright, it's the same thing. I said that the font is bigger now. Alright, then the bigger, and you can read it. Then of course you can see the same thing here, so there's no more interruption of the Amazon, like the previous version, or the more complicated or comprehensive version of this niche site, rather than this one, which is none, which all goes at the bottom. Okay, so it does not take much time in doing this. Okay, and people want to come and then change, let's say, the translation. Let's say I change it to Arabic, then the article would be converted to Arabic. Okay, as mentioned, the translation on this one is good because it maintains the paragraphing. Okay, not like some translation. Okay, let's do it in Malay, because this problem has been seen before. Okay, Malay, that it what you call disturb the paragraphing. So maybe this one, yes, it has the paragraphing correct. Meaning that there must be some coding in the previous version that affect the paragraphing, but now it's good. Alright, you can you have to learn to get used to this translation, and there we just put each line and it comes through here in English. So can we go back to English by showing the original, and That means that if you have articles in Malay or any other what you call other languages, provided that it is in text form, okay, not in graphic, then this may be able to change it. Okay, one function that I want to make this more popular to people is that to present it as an articles program in itself. Okay, in the sense that there'll be some button or some explanation that people can give their own articles, okay, which are original articles, and I can place it here, without having to redo the contents, and it will show that the articles are new, because this will later on increase in the timeline. So, and it goes to the niche. So this is like some form of article directory, but with a different twist. Okay, so when they click here, they go to the what you call to the blog or to the get resources info main site. Okay, when they go here, they go to the Facebook, which I'm not explored it quite yet, and search will go to the search engine. Okay, let's say I click on here, then we go to the search. Okay, of course there is explanation that it search the site only, and let's say I put some at where, and yes, you can see 76 matches, which is every pages of the what you call articles here. Okay, in fact, if they were to come at this page, or just to present the spider as a searching tool, so it's quick enough, because when they click here, they go back to any of the pages. As I click on here, they go to the particular page, and it is, like I say, a networking and interrelated web. And when you do that, there are more to this part. Okay, but the money is always on the affiliates that we put here, and also on the Amazon. So that's it. There's no AdSense here, because we know what's the story on the AdSense. And but anyway, just keep that as a principle that there's no AdSense. Okay, and or they can come here, click here, they go, oh sorry, database error. Okay, this may be just a temporary glitch on the blog, which is nothing to worry about. Okay, so that's it on this get resources info, and thank you.